Hello folks, this is Alex channel. Today I want to let you know that one of my tenant, he said that we have a 2-floor house. The second floor he has a lot of air condition, but first floor is very low, but it's the same air condition. So you know what happened, I thought, why don't you use a fan? And then I thought, I go and see it, why is it blocking something? But my previous tenant said the same thing, and he said the same thing. So I decided, what happened in the first floor, there, the room is called, the best room we call it. So I decided to buy this one from Costco, and it's a master bedroom actually. So just put in the window so they can move in whatever, and that might be great. So I will show you how you connect it. This is actually from a company called DeLonghi. It's called DeLonghi, okay? And then this is a Pinocchio portable air conditioner. Pinocchio portable air conditioner, and it's a 500 square foot, 25 times 20, okay? Thank you very much, and when we go to connect today, I will put it there, okay? So if you have, it's not difficult, it's easy, but it's a situation that sometimes you want, say, hey, I need more air conditioner, you can use this one, and then you don't have to use the other one. In one room, if you use this one, then you don't have to use whole room, or you can use both. It's up to you guys anyway. Thank you very much. This is a brand name, and this one is Pinguino portable air conditioner, and this can be used up to 500 square foot, 25 times 20. Also it says year-round comfort, so it means it has cooling and circulates air, then heat. Oh wow, this has got heat too, and dehumidifier. Okay, all right, this is awesome. It says here, first one, place near a window. Number 2, what it says? Install window bracket, number 2. And number 3, it says connect exhaust hose, 3. And number 4, enjoy the comfort remote control with a AAA battery, 1.5 battery. Okay, that's awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's awesome. Anyway, I'll go and try it. Hello folks, we are near the house, and we're going to see, because near the house we're going, there's some kind of air condition needed, so we're going to go there, and then whenever you go to the house, you have to have a mask. So we're doing mask right now, and as I said, that sometimes I'm a homeowner, sometimes I'm a handyman, sometimes I'm a baseball coach. So let's see what happens. This is 1, 2, 3. We hope we can finish and go back home. Thank you. Folks, we're in the house. We have to have a mask. And luckily, it's close to the window over here. So we're going to open window, and then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, open window here. Okay? And then we're going to connect it between these two. So we're going to do it. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to cut this one. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is the kit. Wow, a nice kit. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right. Check this out. Oh, wonderful. Looks so beautiful. There's a new one. Okay, everything is new. Looks good. And the instructions are here. All right, it looks good, man. Awesome. Okay. So we just open it, and now this is the bracket. We will put like this one here, over here, and open the window. Okay, and you put bracket like this, and then we connect this the plastic bottom, and then hose one side, and also we connect hose on the second side right here in the bottom. And all you have to put this one in the window side. Okay, so window side is here. Okay, it's right here. The window side we got to put here, so we're going to put down, and I'll show you there later. Okay, like this. Finally connected. It looks like it's working fine. We have to find remote control to use it, and This is the plug we put, and then, you know, like this, and behind it's like this. So it looks great. All right, thank you guys.